Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 2 of the October Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem. Ooh, nice. I don't know if you can see it under LC Easy plus 10. You click on it, you get 10 lead coins. Always nice. Anyway, today's problem is 2038. Remove colored pieces if both neighbors are the same color. Okay, so the n pieces arranged in a line. Each piece is colored by A or B. So you're given a string of colors. Okay, Alice and Bob's. Alice can remove A's if both his neighbors are A, and Bob can remove B's if they're both B's from the edge of the line. What does that mean? So you cannot remove like AA something. Okay. Okay, yeah. Oh, both neighbors. I see. That's why you can't do it online. Okay. So I mean, there's no choice here, right? In this problem, so it just becomes the a counting problem, and it's basically counting the number of moves you can make. And what I mean by choice is that every choice is fake, right? Like there's no, like you can never deny the other opponent of a move, right? So Alice has X moves and Bob have some Y moves, and whoever has more moves wins. I think that's probably the interpretation. I don't even. I mean, there's a game, but I hesitate to say it is a game theory per se. But yeah, and of course, I guess in example 2, if they're equal, that means Bob wins because Alice goes next, right? So there's some weird things like this, but they'll take care of it. But yeah. And I think the other thing after that then is just counting, and also, yeah, the two move sets are super independent, and also there's no way to influence it, right? Like, yeah, like if you have A, you can't even remove this B so that it gives Alice an extra move. So stuff like that is just totally independent, and basically you have to count the number of metal pieces. And then the other thing to kind of take a note is that, for example, if you have 2 here or 4 here, you can actually make 2 moves, because after 1 move the second one's still true. So I think that's pretty much the idea, is that you count the streaks and then you just count the moves, and then that's pretty much it. So yeah, let's do that. So, and off the bat, the A's and the B's are kind of the same idea. They're symmetric in a way, or they should be symmetric in terms of implementation, though obviously A's are not B's. So yeah. So then now maybe just like a count function of one color, right? And then yeah, you have a total count, right? Yeah, moves maybe is equal to 0, and then return moves. And then this idea is, yeah, and then you have a streak idea is equal to 0 for I is equal to, and you can actually do this even in one pass, to be honest. So maybe I'm just being a little bit lazy. Oh, jeez. The miracle of live recording. I might have a couple. Excuse me. Oh man. Okay. Where were we? Okay. Yeah. So you can do this in one pass, but you have to do like, I don't know. Excuse me. Wow. I don't know what's going on. Maybe I'm allergic to something. I don't know. Just got out of the shower. But yeah, I mean, there is going to be some if statements either way, so it doesn't really matter. And 2 passes is not that much slower than 1 pass. Man, should have muted. Sorry, friends. Am I done? Am I done, Larry? I don't know. But yeah, you can do for C in colors. If C is equal to color, then streak is increment by 1. Otherwise, streak is equal to 0. And then now, yeah, when you set streak is equal to 0. That means that moves we added by streak -2, for the both sides. So what's in the middle, and of course you want it to be at least 0, so you can do this, right? And then you do it again at the end. Ooh, what is that link? Oh, I think that, actually, what is that link? Hope it's nothing graphic. I don't remember. Oh no, I think it's just, yeah, I posted to my Discord. Whoops. Check that link out then. But yeah, something like this. And then, yeah, and then now you can do, I mean, I'll write out the variables, but you could do, if, so true if Alice wins. If Alice wins if the number of A's are strictly greater than B's. So then we can just do something like count of A is strictly greater than count of B's, right? And that should be good, unless I misunderstood something, which seems to be very common these days. Let's give this a quick submit. And yeah, and there we go. 1280-day streak. How did I get it wrong in the past? Do I just forgot the max? Yeah, okay. That is a silly mistake. That seems like something I did during a contest, and looking back right now, it still feels sad. And of course, you can just return this. I don't know why I did this if statement and then return true. Maybe I was just a little bit lazy. But yeah, I guess that's the other way of doing it. But I don't know. Either way, I guess today is more robust. But this is, like I said, linear time, constant space, and that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think. I don't really have much to add about this one. I think definitely this one is more of a reading comprehension thing, and kind of obviously reading, but also making the observation of what it really means, right? What does it really mean? And that just comes with practice, and you kind of just understand what needs to be done with more and more practice. Yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Month is starting, week is starting. Have a good month, have a good week. Yeah, if you like this, then hit the like button, the subscribe button, join me in Discord, all that stuff. If you don't like it, send it to your enemies, and maybe they'll like it, or maybe they'll hate it and waste their time. I don't know. That's all I have for today, though. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see you all later, and take care. Bye bye.